Hi, do you know that the feeling this will give and the feeling this will give can never be the same? Let me explain. You can see that this is touching the walls. This is touching all the walls. And this is not touching the walls. Let's help you take it from here to here. Let me show you how to go about it.
This is Afrikaanse Penis Olie. To make the bangala pick, let me show you how to use it. You open it.
You open it.
This is the battle of the wall. You open the battle. The wall will be hard in the butter. To make it liquid, you must either put it in boiling water in a pot like that. Or you can make it liquid with fire like that. And you apply 2, 3, or 4 or 5 drops of the Antieke wall in your bangala. And you massage it.
2 to 3 drops of the oil on the dola or the chofe. 1, 2, 3. And then the soft massages. You massage it randomly while pulling it up. Then it will be soft massage randomly while pulling it up. Few weeks of using this, you will tell me thank you. Have a nice day.
With Antieke Afrikaanse Penis Olie, then we give you pum pum for free.
With Antieke Afrikaanse Penis Olie, you will get big bangala, big cucumber, big banana, and big penis. More endurance, more sexual drive, last longer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours on the pum pum. Chop chop with no mercy. Longer penis, longer cucumber, longer bangala. Larger penis, larger cucumber, larger bangala. Clean penis, clean cucumber, clean bangala. No acne on your bangala. No affection on your bangala. No pampers on your bangala. This world gonna clean your bangala for you. Make the bangala new. The Antieke world is the #1 on the market. Take it and don't leave it.